Before I begin to stretch out my pizza dough, I want to talk a little bit about what are called pizza peels or pizza paddles. They look like this, but you might not have one, so I'm going to show you a couple of things that would work instead. The first thing that works the best is if you have a flat edged cookie sheet. It has no edge, it's an edgeless cookie sheet. A lot of people have these in their houses and they would work really great as a pizza peel alternative. The other thing is if you can just find a nice piece of cardboard. This one is off of a package and it's 14 inches wide. It only needs to be about 12 and it's clean, it's thin, and it'll make a really nice pizza peel. So I will show you how to use both of these in a later video. Thanks.